ever sat on. Who is this dreadfully uncomfortable woman?
Get off her. That's our babysitter.
What the? Babysitter? You don't need one of those, do you?
Let me get this straight. You pay this woman to sit on babies? That's disgusting.
I do it for nothing.
Now, let's see what the old Phunometer has to say.
Phunometer?
Yeah, it measures how fun you are. Ah, control freak. Yeah. Now you.
Tap it.
Listen, kid, you can tap it with a hammer. It ain't gonna change. Just as I suspected, you guys are both out of whack. You're a control freak and you're a rule breaker. That'll be $700. Who's your insurance carrier?
So what do we do?
Well, there are two treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots injected into your abdomen and kneecaps. And the other involves a musical number. Me, 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 meow.
How many shots?
How many shots? Aren't you precious?